everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino smart gate system with Arduino Nano. And this works very well. If you have an Arduino Uno or an Arduino Mega, you might see some videos in my YouTube YouTube channel, and you can see in the playlist. And if you have Arduino Nano, you can see this video. And now let's move on. For this project, you might need an Arduino Nano with a breadboard connected to it, then an ultrasonic sensor, a servo with its axis and a stick with like decides on it, and pasted to it. You can use glue gun or tape. Both works fine. Add some jumper wires. Now let's connect it. Now take the ultrasonic sensor and keep it here. And connect the ground to the negative rail of the breadboard. And the VCC is 5 volts to the positive side. And the echo pin to D2. And the trigger pin to D3. D3. And now let's connect the servo. So keep the servo like this in the end like this. And then take the gate and place it like this. Now let's connect the servo wire. So connect the positive side, means the red, to 5 volts, means the positive side of the breadboard, and the ground, which is brown, to the negative rail of the breadboard, and the signal, which is yellow, to D4. And here we have connected the servo. Now let's connect the two LEDs. These are all for indication. So connect the ground of the green LED. This LED is for like the gate is open, you may go now. And the red LED is for the gate is closed, you might not go now. So connect the green LED to the positive side of the green LEDs, the shorter leg, which is cathode, to the ground negative rail of the breadboard, and the positive side is for let's say D5. And now let's connect the red LED. So connect the red LED ground to the negative side of the breadboard and the positive side to D6. And make sure this is important. Make sure you connect the ground to the negative rail of the breadboard and 5 volts to the positive. And let's code it up. Here paste the code that I left in the description. So this is our code. And include servo hatch. You want to include the library called servo hatch. Constant in trigger pin is on 3, echo pin is on 2, red LED is 6, green LED is 5, servo pin is 4. If you need to change these pins, you can change it. Servo gets servo. Pin mode trigger pin is output, echo pin is input. Red LED pin is output and green LED also output. Trigger pin sends the sound and the echo pin receives it. So it's input and output. Gate servo, it's a servo pin. Means this is gate servo means a pre-built code that says that the servo pin is which. And we have stored servo in servo pin. So servo pin is 4. So it means 4. Gate servo write 0. It want to start with the gate closed. Serial begin 9600. Log distance into duration. This code is to calculate the duration and the distance. Digital write trigger pin is low to measure the distance. Fast, low, delay 2 microseconds. Trigger pin high, delay microseconds 10. Trigger pin low. This means the trigger pin will send the sound to 2 seconds and 10 microseconds. Duration pulse in echo pin high. Distance duration 0.034 2. This is the code to like say where is the distance. Serial print distance is serial print distance. You want to print the distance and distance. If distance is less than 0 or greater than 15 means card detected. If yours is low sensitive, you might need to decrease it. So like if you're like so l- so low sensitive, you might need to put like 4 or like that. But if yours is high sensitive, put a higher number. So like 67 or I will recommend you to put 50. If yours is low sensitive, put 10. If it doesn't work, you want to go below or up. Now mine is in the middle, so 50. Look at that right. Red LED is low, green LED is high. Means the car is directed. The red LED wants to turn off and the green LED wants to turn on. My gate servo right 90. Want to open the gate and it want to wait for 2 seconds. And gate servo right 0. Means it want to close again. Digital right green LED low. When it's going to off, the green LED want to turn off and the high LED red LED want to go high. If it's no card, digital right, and we put else so it will indicate that is no card. Digital right, green LED low, red LED high. And means the gate is closed. Gates are right 0. The gate is closed. Delay 300 seconds. And here is our code. After you did it, you want to select your board input. So go to tools, board means you can choose your board. For our which is Arduino Nano. So I am choosing Arduino Nano. Then click here to upload the code. And make sure you put your port. Means when you plug it in your Arduino Nano, your ports will available here. You can see your port. After you do it, click this and it will upload. It may take few minutes. Now I have uploaded the code. Let's see the result. Now when the gate is closed, the red LED turns on. When anything senses the ultrasonic sensor, the gate opens and the green LED turns on. After the gate is closed, the red LED is turns on. And there might be some issues with this project. The ultrasonic sensor will detect far away distance. Means if you have a high sensitive ultrasonic sensor, that will be a problem. The servo just goes up and down, And for that, you might need to decrease the threshold. And if your ultrasonic sensor is low sensitive, when you are this close but the gate is not open, you need to increase the threshold. And this will work. If you have any further questions, put it in the comment section. And this works fine. I hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe and share. and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future videos. Thank you. Wait. அப்படியே பண்ணுங்க. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this smart gate with Arduino Nano. I have made this video with Arduino Uno and Arduino Mega, and if you have an Arduino Uno you might see this video, or you can see my videos in my YouTube channel. And how this works means, if anything senses the ultrasonic sensor, the green LED turns on and the gate turns on. And when it's off, the red LED turns off. And this works fine. Now let's move on.